Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kiara. Look, I never say my name in my intro. I never do, but yeah, I'm Kiara, but you know, you call me Keke. That's what most people call me. Alright. But yes, we got another green look. I'm back with the green, yellow, and blue again. Why? I don't know. I can't seem to leave it alone, okay? But we're gonna keep creating them. And they can keep me a bomb. Okay, so that's all you need to worry about, alright? And I still need to do a Black History Month look and Mardi Gras. I'll get to that. Alright. But anyways, this look I did today. Consider real cute. Yeah. So, I'm gonna get into this look, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment and share. And like, turn your notifications. Yeah. Hit that button, hit the bell, whatever, so you won't miss any videos I have, okay? And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna take this makeup off a little bit. Because of course it's like almost 1 o'clock as usual. Okay, so we're going to use the September Rose Slush palette, and I am going to take Cucumber Lime and Sour Apple. So Cucumber Lime and Sour Apple are the two colors we're going to use first, okay? I've been contemplating about if I'm going to do a pink look or pink and green or just do all green. I think I'm going to do all green. So I'm back with the whole green thing again. Why? It's a little... Okay, and we taking Cucumber Lime first. I probably should have did one of my eyes first. This palette do take a while to build up. It's okay. Okay, now I don't want to bring my shadow up too far today. I'm going to try not to. I want to keep it kind of low. Okay, next I'm going to the Sour Apple. Okay, and I'm probably add another color up here, more than likely. Okay, so I'm going to take the shade Banana, and I'm going to blend it over the green and then blend the colors all together. I was trying not to make my colors go up that high today, but apparently because of my eye shape, it doesn't work out, so I just gotta do what I gotta do. Okay, and I'm gonna go back into Cucumber Lime. blend it in there some more. And then I'm gonna go back into Sour Apple. Okay, so of course I took a whole other direction than what I was supposed to have been originally doing. Okay, that's okay. So we're gonna put some blue in the crease and then do this over here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take that rose gold shimmer right there and put it on the rest of the lid. Okay, so what I did was take that last green that I had put in my eye and I blended it into the blue a little bit. Like this looked, again, I said in my last story I was not gonna wait no more looks and I gotta predict this, but whatever. Okay. That's all I can say. So I'm mixing a green and a blue shimmer together. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pink highlighter on point. It's right there in the middle, and it's Nyx Cosmetics Blacklight Spotlight palette. I was gonna do a gold highlighter, but I feel like that's kind of basic. Why not make it pink and fun? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put something over this because this is looking a little ashy on me. Okay. I didn't think about it when I did it. Okay, that's a little better. Okay.